If you wake up fired up, ready to change your life, and 2 hours later you're scrolling TikTok, this is for you. What if I told you the content you're watching is making others thousands every month, and you're leaving that money on the table? Today, I'll show you how to flip it. Welcome to your Pinterest affiliate marketing crash course. What's up, everyone? Before we dive in, let's talk numbers. Pinterest gets 1.2 billion monthly visits. I know TikTok is bigger at 2.8 billion, but here's the difference. Pinterest users aren't just scrolling. They're searching for products, ideas, and they buy. That mindset, that's where the money is. By the end of this video, you'll get my full step-by-step system. 4 steps, nothing skipped, nothing held back, with real numbers from my own profile. All right, let's get into it. So here's something I want you to understand about Pinterest before we get into the steps. This platform is massive for a very specific audience, and that audience is spending money. More than 60% of Pinterest users are women, and the top categories: fashion, home decor, beauty, bags, lifestyle products. Now, if you've ever tried to sell anything online, you already know women-focused niches are some of the highest converting niches in e-commerce. And here's where it gets interesting for us. I actually created a test Pinterest profile a little while back just to experiment, just to see what would happen. I posted a small number of pins. Want to know what my analytics showed? Nearly 3,000 people visiting my profile every month from just a handful of pins. This wasn't some massive operation. It was me testing a strategy on a brand new account. And the audience? Exactly what I expected. Mostly women, mostly on mobile, mostly interested in fashion and lifestyle products. So yes, this works, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Here are the 4 steps we're covering today. Step 1, create a proper business account on Pinterest. Step 2, find trending products that people are already searching for. Step 3, join the right affiliate program to actually get paid. And step 4, the most important one, design your pins professionally so they actually convert. All right, seatbelts on. Let's start. Step 1, creating your Pinterest business account. And this is free, by the way. No credit card, no subscription, free. Now, I want to be clear about something here. If you just create a regular personal account and start post affiliate links, your account will most likely get flagged or blocked. Pinterest takes this seriously. You need a business account. Go to Google, type Pinterest, open pinterest.com. You'll see a sign up button. Click it, then hit continue with Google. A window will pop up asking for your date of birth. You need to be 18 or older. Enter a qualifying date, click create account. Once your personal account is set up, you'll go through a quick onboarding. Choose your gender, select your region. I recommend United States since we're targeting a US audience, and pick a few interests. These help Pinterest understand what to show you. So pick things related to fashion, lifestyle, shopping, whatever fits your niche. Now, here's the key move. On the right side of your screen, you'll see an option that says Convert to Business. Click that. A window will explain the benefits. You'll get an ads manager, full analytics, and audience insights. Click Upgrade Account. Done. You'll then be asked to choose a category. I recommend selecting Online Merchant. Click Next. Now enter your brand name. I named mine Luxe Bags, and I'll explain why that specific name in just a moment. For a location, select United States. If you have a website, great, add it. If not, just click I don't have a website for now. Then you'll set your goals, things like increase online sales, drive traffic, generate leads. Select any 3 that apply. For category, choose fashion. Click Done, and then select Edit your profile as your starting point. Add a profile picture. Keep your bio simple, something like trending products or luxury bags and style. Hit Save. And that's it. Step 1, done. Business account on Pinterest, free, set up, ready to go. Let's move to step 2. All right, step 2. And this is where Pinterest actually gets really interesting. In your left sidebar, click on Business Hub. You'll see audience data, age ranges, interests, demographics, all based on the niche you selected when setting up your account. But what we really want is this. Pinterest has its own built-in trends tool. Click View Trends. This is Pinterest showing you in real time what 1.2 billion people are actively searching for. Right now in 2026, the #1 trending item on Pinterest is winter sparkle nails. Nail content for women blowing up. Now, nails are seasonal, and we want products that sell consistently, not just in December. So scroll down to Shopping Trends and click View Shopping Trends. You'll see items with 90+% search growth, things like cloth napkins, home goods, accessories. Real demand, real traffic. Okay, remember how I named my page Luxe Bags? Here's why. I searched for bags for women in the Pinterest Trends tool. And what I found was, over the past year, the interest in women's bags has been climbing consistently, not seasonal spikes, a steady growing trend. The data shows 87% female searchers, mostly ages 18 to 24. And get this, there's even 7% male searchers in there. I'll let you guys figure out why in the comments. The point is, I found a product with proven growing demand. I aligned my brand around it. That's the strategy. Now, once you've found your trending product, you can actually click on existing pins in that niche and see how other people are making money from it. Click any pin, hit Visit Site, and most of the time, you'll land directly on an Amazon affiliate link. Which brings us perfectly to Step 3. Step 3. Getting paid. The affiliate program I recommend for Pinterest is the Amazon Affiliate Program. Here's why. Amazon has every product in every niche imaginable. The trust factor is massive. Everyone already shops on Amazon, and commissions go up to 10%. On top of that, and this is big for anyone watching from outside the US, Amazon Affiliates pays out via bank transfer and also supports virtual banks like Payoneer and Wise. So wherever you are in the world, you can get paid. To sign up, go to the Amazon Affiliate Program page, click Sign Up, enter your email, and complete the account setup. I actually have a separate detailed video on this process. The link is in the description below if you need it. Once your account is active, every time you visit Amazon, you'll see a toolbar at the top called the Site Stripe. That's your affiliate tool. Any product you find on Amazon, you just click Get a Link, and your personal affiliate link is generated instantly. So I searched bags for women on Amazon, found the bag I liked, clicked Get a Link, my affiliate link, ready. That's it. Step 3, done. Now comes the most important part of this entire crash course. Step 4, and I mean this. If you get this wrong, nothing else matters. If you get this right, you start making sales. Do not, I repeat, do not just download a product image from Amazon and drop it directly onto Pinterest. That's a copyright risk. It looks unprofessional, and honestly, it just doesn't convert. People scroll past bad-looking pins the same way they scroll past bad thumbnails on YouTube. Go to canva.com. It's free. Click on Templates, then search for something like Pinterest pin for bags or whatever your niche is. Thousands of templates will appear, professionally designed, already in the correct Pinterest dimensions. Choose one that looks clean and modern. Click Customize Design. Once a template opens, delete the placeholder image. Then go to Amazon. Right-click on your product image, select Copy Image Address, go back to Canva, and paste it in with Ctrl-V. Your product image appears. Now, click Remove BG to strip out the background. It instantly looks professional. Scale the image to fit the template, adjust text if needed. Your pin is done. Click Share, then download, save it as a JPEG in full quality. Perfect Pinterest dimensions. Done. Now go to Pinterest dashboard. Click Create, then Create Pin. Upload your image. Add a title. You can literally copy the product title from Amazon. For the description, grab the product description. If it's too long, paste it into ChatGPT, ask for a short Pinterest-friendly version, copy it, paste it in. Now add your affiliate link. And here, I need you to pay close attention because this is where a lot of people make a mistake that gets their account suspended. If you're just starting out, you can use your Amazon affiliate link directly in the pin. That works. But, and this is important, do not post 10, 20, 50 pins all at once with direct affiliate links. Pinterest algorithm flags that as spam. Your account will get suspended. Period. Build it slowly, 1 or 2 pins a week to start. Grow your profile organically the way I showed you earlier. That's the beginner approach, and it works. Now, if you want to do this seriously, long-term, at scale, the smarter move is to link your pins to your own website instead of directly to Amazon. When you link to your own website, Pinterest sees you as a content creator, not a spammer. Your account is protected. Your website is basically a bridge. It has all your affiliate links, your product listings, your content. Someone clicks your pin, lands on your site, clicks buy on Amazon, and Amazon registers that purchase to your affiliate account. Clean, safe, scalable. I built my own site, Luxe Bags, specifically for this. Every product links back to Amazon with my affiliate link. And if building a website sounds overwhelming, don't worry. I actually have a resource for this. Check the link in the description below. All right, friends, let me just recap what we covered today because this was a full crash course and I want to make sure it sticks. Step 1. Create a free Pinterest business account, not personal, business. Step 2. Use Pinterest's own trends tool to find products with proven growing demand. Step 3. Join the Amazon affiliate program. Get your affiliate links. Step 4. Design your pins professionally in Canva, post them strategically, and link either directly or through your own website. That is a complete system. From zero to your first affiliate commissions, using a platform that 1.2 billion people visit every single month. And most of your competitors have no idea this opportunity even exists. Look, I'm not promising overnight results, but I am telling you, if you follow these steps, stay consistent, and build it the right way, if you made it this far, thank you. Videos like this take a lot of time, and knowing you watched means a lot. If even one tip helped you, drop a comment. I read every single one. A quick like also helps more than you know. It helps this content reach the right people. And if you want me to dive deeper, website setup, Canva designs, or Pinterest SEO, let me know in the comments and I'll make it happen. All right, that's a wrap on your Pinterest affiliate marketing crash course. Go build something, and I'll see you in the next one.